What is happening?
I'm still very, very hungry.
And I don't know what's happening. Shan, can you stop? I don't know whether it's recording or not. Oh god, it's recording. Hey guys, Aiden here, back with another YouTube episode, and I don't know why I'm on Clash of Clans, because I had not clicked on this before. So I'm going to be on Minecraft and starting a new series. So got some gold. I've got some goals to do on this world. But creating a world, survival, I'm gonna call it YouTube. Why not? We're on YouTube. YouTube the build. So, and the seed is going to be YouTube Riles. YouTube rules. Create world. Dippity-boo. Right. Ooh. Not my first pick of wood when building, but here we go. Sugarcane. Wow, there's a lot of sugarcane around. Like loads. So, I know the start of a series is boring.
I got my finger in the tournament that hasn't started.
Boring. In the beginning is always boring because you have to chop down wood and get some stone, but
I have 69 ones.
I don't really like this wood, but so I'm just gonna chop.
Guys, go on picture of bugs.
And chop. I don't really like this wood, but
whoa!
hey ho.
Yes, I have that. That was just so funny. I don't think I'll do a YouTube episode.
Not while I'm doing one now. Well, go somewhere else. Go in the playroom or somewhere.
But you said we'll still do one. I can't do one.
Well, you can go in the playroom and do it, but not near.
Well, I'm still doing it.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna
Yeah, I'm just
see
shooting
what's
down
there. I've got 11 from one tree. Crafting table, some sticks. Pickaxe. It's always boring, so I'll skip this bit for you guys and be back when it's done. So guys, I'm back and I got all my stone tools and quite a lot of stone. Axe, shovel. I don't put my hoe in my inventory because you don't really use it that much. But I was just making sure monsters are on. Make myself a furnace. So I'm going to camp here for the night. I need to be on the search for coal. No coal. Not that one. Looks promising. Coal's mine. No iron at the very start. Pretty good. I can hardly see here. Coal. Can just about see coal. Let's make a couple of torches and plug them down so I can see I am actually good. Ooh. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and I'm just gonna mine the rest of this coal. And I just mine the torch. So, this is a lot of coal. I'll go also get some food. So, much coal did I get? 10 will be enough for now. So, I'll be right back once I've got a bit of food. Right guys, I'm back and I also found a couple of oak trees while looking for some animals. So I got 3 raw chicken, 3 raw pork, 2 raw mine. That's it. So I'm just gonna camp out up there. Whoa, what was that? It's the same cave happening to get that coal, but right, it's not long till 9. So, but, get this place nice and bright. Make some more sticks and torches. This is just going to be a temporary place. But I'm going to put that in there. 3 and there's another map. What's the difference between them? Does one show you where you are and the other not? I have no idea how those work. So put that down there. And then firmly done there we go. And put my torches. It's time of night. I need to go find one more sheep. Because one more sheep will be enough for my bed. Can't see any more sheep. Oh god. Looks like I'm not sleeping good enough. And then I can put some mutton there. Right. Let's just look around a bit. Make sure there's definitely not any sheep. Looks like there's some plains over there, but I'm not going to go exploring today. Can't see any sheep around. Doesn't look like it. Bed. So now let's just put the iron in there. So now I have a lot of food, and plenty of food to last me a while. Looks like there's a spider over there and a zombie that's coming. Actually, I'm going to turn him up and I'll actually put him on normal. Because then that's one with arm. Whoa! Okay. Can't see. It's a bit good because I don't really want to. Whoa, no, okay. And let's grab this one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're not gonna kill me. Oh, zombie in leather armor. Yes. Yeah, in your face. Oh, I got a carrot. Worry. Just hear a spider coming in. I'm just like, where are you? is the leather armor. You saw it, guys, that the zombie was wearing leather armor. Oh, here we go. Got a bit of armor up now. So, can't see any more with armor, so I think that ends episode 1 of our new series. So it's goodbye from me, and goodbye from everyone.